Alright, the next video is one that's very nice, which is something only Celtic can do at this moment, which allows your business to speak to you, to talk to you, and that is the business life setup in Celtic. So to get started, let's go back to our navigation and then go to settings, and then from here you can see the second item on the row is business life setup. So click on it. Now when you click on it, what do? You're going to see different branches that you have. So each of these branch can have their own business life set up for them automatically. So, and what does this mean? Like, for instance, I can have many branches in different places. From here, I can add the WhatsApp number of the managers of those particular branches, and then they can start chatting with the branch on WhatsApp. They can ask questions, it will respond automatically. So, this is what business life setup does. So, the reason I'm going to do is to add a phone number here, maybe any phone number I add here, and then I click on OTP. OTP be sent. I will tell the person to give me the OTP. I put the OTP here, and then immediately the OTP is confirmed. Everything is set up automatically. This is how your business life setup works, and that's how you set it up automatically. So thank you for your time. See you again in the next video.